Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change country and address in H&M app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your location like your country and address in H&M app, all you gotta do is simply tap open your H&M app itself. After you've done that, you need to simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the top left hand side of the corner and simply scroll down below to app setting. So once you scroll down and find the option called app setting, you need to click on it and you will end up in this kind of interface. So down below in the regional settings, all you gotta do is simply tap on the region option. Now this will allow you to go in this kind of interface where you will get different kind of regions you can select from. So now to change your country and address in H&M app, you need to simply tap on the region you want to change your address to and simply follow the on-screen instructions given. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.